Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a leaf for our flower crown class. This is a beginner level class, so I am going to just do a brief overview of every stitch and action as we're going through. So let's get started. I went ahead and already put the slip knot on my hook and a reminder of how to hold everything here, and we'll probably hold on to the tail as well. We're going to go ahead and chain 5 onto our hook. So we're going to hold on to it here, yarn over and pull through to make a chain, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. We're going to go in the second chain from hook. So we count not the one on our hook, but then 1, 2 right here. And we're going to go ahead and put our stitch marker there so that we know where we're working. We're going to do a single crochet stitch here. So we'll insert the hook, yarn over, pull through just out of the chain, and then we have 2 loops here. We're going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through them as well for our single crochet stitch. Perfect. We are now going to move our stitch marker to the next loop, just the one next door here. And here we are going to do a double crochet stitch. So go ahead and yarn over first, and then insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. We have 3 on the hook now. We're going to yarn over and pull through again. We're just going to pull through 2. And then we'll yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that's our double crochet stitch. You can see we're sort of forming a upward pattern here. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and do another double crochet stitch. So we'll yarn over, insert, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't move my stitch marker. Let me do that first for you. There you are, into the next stitch there. So we'll yarn over, insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Perfect. We'll move our stitch marker to this last stitch here, and we're going to do a single crochet stitch here. So we'll go ahead and insert first, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, perfect. From here, we're going to remove the stitch marker because we've done all of our stitches. And we are going to now finish off. So we're going to cut the one attached to the ball, leaving a longer tail if we can. Perfect. And we're going to yarn over and pull all the way through. So just all the way through. And then you'll pull that tight there. And make sure to pull the starting stitch tight too, so it kind of gives you a little leaf here. Perfect. So this is going to be the leaf pattern that we're doing, and we can make as many of these as we would like, or you don't have to make any if you don't want them on your flower crown. However, this is going to be how we make the leaf.